The first show of culinary skills during the Spring Festival. Italian Whirlwind crispy roasted pork belly. Cut a whole piece of pork belly in half. Open it like a book. Slightly draw net-shaped lines in the pork. Sprinkle salt and black pepper evenly, then fold it. Let's mix some ingredients on a plate. To enhance the flavor of our pork belly, mix it well. Apply evenly. Use your hands to really rub it into all the cracks you just created with your knife. The yellow lemon peel can remove greasiness and increase flavor. Then, roll it in a circle motion. Let the skin fully cover the meat. After that, you need to use a knot to tie it. Use your knife to poke the meat on the skin. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. First, put it in the oven with a low temperature and then put it at a high temperature. Wait until the skin bubbles up. This is the moment of the cutting. Oh, look at it. Let's now add the Italian spiced barbecue sauce. Cut it slowly. Pour some sauce on the plate and put one sliced pork on it. It can also be made into a sandwich. You will definitely love this. Also a dish that you can share to your family. Follow me and share this world cuisine with 100 families. For family gatherings, even barbecue sauce can be served on a plate with a piece of crispy pork belly.